Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn a second colligative property, that is a boiling point elevation. In previous lecture, we discussed about the colligative properties, that is the properties of a solution containing non-volatile solute, which depends only upon the number of solute particles and not on the nature of a solute particles present in the solution. In short, these colligative properties are directly related to the number of moles of a solute particles present in the solution. The first colligative property is a vapor pressure lowering. That is, a vapor pressure of pure solvent is always greater than a vapor pressure of a solution containing non-volatile solution. याचं सगळं एक्सप्लेनेशन आपण बघितलंय. And by using this vapor pressure lowering, we can explain a boiling point elevation as a colligative property. A boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of given liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure. It is observed that the boiling point of pure solvent is always less than a boiling point of a solution containing non-volatile solute. That is, a boiling point of a solvent is less than a boiling point of a solution. That is, a boiling point of solution is greater than boiling point of a pure solvent. The difference between a boiling point of a solution containing non-volatile solute and a boiling point of a pure solvent is called as a boiling point elevation. A boiling point elevation is the difference between a boiling point of solution and boiling point of a pure solvent. This boiling point elevation is shown by or represented by delta TB, that is change in velocity. Mathematically, a boiling point elevation delta TB is equal to a boiling point of a solution minus a boiling point of a pure solvent. If a boiling point of a solvent is represented by T0B and boiling point of a solution as T. Hence, mathematically, TB minus T0B is the elevation in a boiling point, that is delta TB. इथं एक मार्कासाठी a definition of elevation of boiling point किंवा its mathematical equation आपल्याला विचारतात. की elevation in boiling point delta TB is a difference of TB minus T0B. मग why this a boiling point of solution is elevated? A elevation or increasing a boiling point of a solution can be represented by a vapor pressure curve for pure solvent and a solution. With the help of lowering of vapor pressure, we can explain the elevation of a boiling point. त्यासाठी एक छोटासा ग्राफ आपल्याला काढायचा आहे. ग्राफ ऑफ a vapor pressure against the temperature. That is, a vapor pressure of a pure solvent and vapor pressure of a solution is plotted against a different temperature. एका ऍक्सिस वरती आपण घेऊया वेपर प्रेशर आणि ऍक्सिस वरती आपण घेऊया द टेम्परेचर. दॅट इज द ग्राफ ऑफ अ वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ प्युअर सॉल्वंट अँड सोल्युशन अगेन्स्ट अ डिफरंट टेम्परेचर कॅन बी प्लॉटेड. मग आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे द वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ प्युअर सॉल्वंट is always greater than vapor pressure of a solution. याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन आपण बघितलंय की सोल्युशन कंटेनिंग नॉन व्हॉलेटाइल सोल्यूट acquired some a surface portion of liquid is a vapor pressure of solution decreases. मग जर आपण ग्राफ काढला तिथं आपल्याला दोन वेगवेगळे कर्व मिळतात बघा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल दिस इज अ कर्व ए बी. Suppose it is a curve AB आणि सेकंड कर्व आपल्याला मिळतोय याला आपण नाव देऊ शकतोय कर्व CD. दोन वेगवेगळे प्लॉट्स आपल्याला आहेत. वेपर प्रेशर अगेन्स्ट टेम्परेचर. फर्स्ट वन इज द वेपर प्रेशर कर्व फॉर अ प्युअर सॉल्वंट. As the vapor pressure of pure solvent is greater than a curve AB lie above curve CD. That is, AB is nothing but it is the vapor pressure curve for a pure solvent. Similarly, CD is the vapor pressure curve for a solution. Then, according to definition of boiling point, suppose here the vapor pressure becomes atmospheric pressure 1 atm. At that point, a curve AB, here the pressure becomes to atmospheric pressure. Then according to definition, when vapor pressure becomes equal to atmospheric pressure, a corresponding temperature is called as a boiling point. इथं आपल्याला boiling point temperature मिळत आहे. It is for pure solvent, hence shown as T0B. Similarly, at that point, the vapor pressure of solution becomes equal to atmospheric pressure, and this corresponding temperature is known as a boiling point of a solution. ग्राफ वरती तुम्ही बघू शकता TB, that is boiling point of solution, is greater than boiling point of a pure solvent. This difference between these two temperatures is called as a elevation in a boiling point delta T. जसं डेफिनेशन मध्ये आपल्याला मिळालं होतं की डिफरन्स बिटवीन these two temperature is the elevation. With the help of a vapor pressure diagram, we can explain this elevation of a boiling point. In short, अगदी थोडक्यात आपण काय सांगू शकतोय की vapor pressure of solution is greater than vapor pressure of solvent, and this difference between two temperature is nothing but elevation of a boiling point. नेक्स्ट पार्ट आपल्याला एक्सप्लेन करायचंय द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन इलिव्हेशन ऑफ अ बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डेल्टा टीबी अँड अ कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ अ सोल्युशन. इट इज ऑब्झर्व दॅट इलिव्हेशन इन अ बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल or directly related to M means molality of a solution. The elevation in boiling point is directly related to molality and it is not related to molarity. As a concentration, molarity is a temperature dependent Hence, we have to use another term to express concentration, which is a molality. Molality means the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1000 gram, that is 1 kilogram of a solvent. And hence, molality is a temperature independent term. इथं instead of volume आपण mass consider करतोय आणि म्हणून it is a temperature independent. If we remove this proportionality sign, a delta TB, that is elevation in a boiling point, is equal to constant Kb multiplied by molality of the solution. Delta TB is equal to Kb into L, where this Kb is called as a molar elevation constant. Kb is a proportionality constant. यालाच आपण काय म्हणू शकतोय मोलर elevation constant, or which is called as a ebuloscopic constant. दोन वेगवेगळे नाव आहेत, मोलर elevation constant or ebuloscopic constant. याची डेफिनेशन आपल्याला 1 मार्कासाठी विचारली जाते की डिफाइन मोलर elevation constant or ebuloscopic constant. In this equation, delta TB is equal to Kb into L, where this concentration of solution is equal to 1 molar. When M is equal to 1, the equation becomes delta TB is equal to Kb. हे इक्वेशन लक्षात राहिलं की डेफिनेशन तुम्ही स्वतः तयार करू शकता. डेल्टा TB is equal to Kb, and Kb is molar elevation of ebuloscopic constant. That is a elevation in a boiling point produced or obtained in 1 molar concentrated solution. The elevation in a boiling point produced by 1 molar concentrated solution is called as a molar elevation constant or ebuloscopic constant. परत एकदा बघा, 1 मार्काला डेफिनेशन किंवा इक्वेशन विचारू शकते की मोलर एलिव्हेशन कॉन्स्टंट इज नथिंग बट इट इज द एलिव्हेशन इन अ बॉइलिंग पॉइंट प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय 1 मोलर कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सोल्युशन. आतापर्यंत आपण बॉइलिंग पॉइंटची डेफिनेशन बघितली, एलिव्हेशन इन अ बॉइलिंग पॉइंटची डेफिनेशन बघितली, इट्स मॅथमॅटिकल इक्वेशन, an explanation of boiling point elevation with the help of vapor pressure curve, and एक छोटीशी टर्म आपण बघितली which is called as a molar elevation constant. सेकंड कॉलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी मधली लास्ट टर्म आता आपल्याला बघायची, that is calculation or determination of molar mass of a solute from elevation of a boiling point. So molar mass or molecular weight of a solute, that is M2, can be determined from elevation in a boiling point. That is a determination of molar mass of a solute M2 from elevation of a boiling point. एकदम छोटासा डेरिवेशन. बऱ्याच वेळेला 2 मार्कासाठी सेम डेरिवेशन विचारलं शकते. So the problem based on this derivation can be asked for 2 marks. एक छोटासा डेरिवेशन एक्सप्रेशन आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. We know that the elevation in a boiling point delta TB is equal to molar elevation constant Kb into concentration, that is molality of a solution. Molality is given by an equation. The molality small m is equal to number of moles of a solute. Number of moles of a solute upon a mass of a solvent in kilogram. Modality is a method or way to express the concentration of a solution. This modality is independent on temperature, that is, does not affected by the temperature. If W2 grams of a solute is dissolved in W1 gram of a solvent. सॉल्वेंट प्रिपेयर करते हैं अपन क्या करें, W2 ग्राम ऑफ अ सोल्यूट इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन W1 ग्राम ऑफ अ सॉल्वेंट. One represent as a solvent. This suffix 2 is used to denote or to represent the solute part. W2 means weight or mass of solute and W1 is mass or weight of the solvent. Number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute here 2 is given by equation. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की number of moles is nothing but it is the ratio of mass of a solute divided by molar mass of a solute. Hence, N2 is nothing but a mass of a solute divided by molar mass, that is molecular weight of solute, which is equal to mass of solute W2 is molar mass M2, which is equal to number of moles of solute. Hence, this equation becomes small m modality is equal to W2 divided by M2. That is number of moles upon mass of solvent in a kilogram. आपल्याला किती दिलंय सॉल्वंटचा W1 mass divided by 1000 kilograms मध्ये आपल्याला कन्वर्जन करायचं. इक्वेशन जर आपण रिअरेंज केलं तर मोलॅरिटी W2 into 1000 divided by W1 into M. ही व्हॅल्यू इक्वेशन मध्ये पुट असतात. म्हणून डेल्टा TB is equal to KB into W2 into 1000 divided by W1 into M. Molar mass of solute M2 is equal to Kb molar elevation constant multiplied by mass of solute multiplied by 1000 divided by mass of solvent W1 into molar elevation constant delta. Equation just like we can determine or we can calculate the molar mass of a solute with the help of elevation in a body. The second colligative property of something that is boiling point elevation. Means the boiling point of solution is increases due to addition of non-volatile solute. असं का होता है? तो with the help of vapor pressure as the vapor pressure of solution is lower than vapor pressure of pure solvent, more amount of heat will require to achieve this 1 atmospheric vapor pressure for a solution, and hence solution boils at higher temperature than a pure solvent. Boiling point definition आपण बघितले. Then definition of boiling point elevation, that is delta TB. Explanation by using vapor pressure curve or vapor pressure diagram. It's a relationship with concentration of solution, that is delta TB is directly proportional to molarity of solution, and a small derivation for determination of molar mass of a solute. Here we completed our second qualitative property, namely boiling point elevation. In next video, we will see third qualitative property, that is freezing point depression.